There are 2 questions your prospects must answer with a yes if you want to get a sale of your online course. Can I do this? And is this person and this program the perfect way for me to do this? Now, you can't get these yeses if you send traffic immediately to your course's sales page. Instead, you have to set up a sales funnel in between. And not just any funnel will do. It must build trust and rapport with your potential customers and lead them to your offer and the sale in a non-salesy way. I didn't always have this in place for my piano course business. I learned it the hard way. In fact, I didn't know what a funnel even was for longer than I care to admit. But once I created one that ensures my ideal customers were saying yes to both of these questions, my business went from a consistent $1,000 a month to a consistent $10,000 a month, virtually 10x overnight with the same traffic and the same course. Once again, the 2 questions are, can I do this? And is this person and their program the perfect way for me to do this? So you should first ensure your prospects believe they can get the outcomes your course promises. You do this by unearthing and crushing all false beliefs and misconceptions they have, and by helping them overcome any past failures. Take my Piano in 21 Days course, for example. If by the time I ask someone to make the purchase, they don't believe it's possible to actually play the piano for themselves, they won't buy any kind of piano course, much less mine. So all of my messaging must get them to envision the dream outcome as possible to attain for them. But then you also need to ensure that the I can do this part doesn't lead your prospect to another solution other than yours. And then through our messaging, our free training, our offer, we want people thinking this is my kind of person and my kind of course. Getting your ideal customer saying yes to these 2 questions is essential to selling your online course.